Creating a lesson in the CrossBraining app is easy. Start by clicking the Create New Lesson button from your dashboard. Then, simply type in the lesson title and click Save. Now you're ready to write your lesson summary and key terms. The summary is what your students will see when they work on the assignment. If you have key terms, you can enter them here. Key terms must be at least 3 characters. The easiest way to enter multiple key terms is to hit the Enter key after each key term and simply start typing the next word. Now you're ready to add the steps of your lesson. You can name a step by clicking the pencil icon next to the name of the step. Next, write the reflection questions you'd like for your students to answer in this step. Click the plus sign or press the Enter key on your keyboard. You can enter as many questions as you'd like. Optionally, you can provide a capture clip for your students to use in the lesson. This clip will be available every time you assign the lesson to a class. Otherwise, leave it blank and let your students provide their own clips. Finally, if you'd like to provide a script for your students to narrate, you can do so by typing it into the narration box. By leaving it blank, you're giving students ownership to create their own narration. If needed, you can add another step and repeat the process. You can add as many steps as you'd like. Once you have all the steps, your lesson is ready. If needed, you can always go back and edit the lesson in the future.